Hey, I'm James with P&W Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today I'm talking about my new Vortex Sparc Solar Red Dot. Yeah, this is a solar powered sight and also battery powered, of course. So the great thing about this is it automatically switches. It knows when it's in daylight or indoors. So it'll be running purely just off the solar panel when you're outside. But if you go to an indoor shooting range or whatever it may be, if you're indoors, it'll run just off the battery itself because basic lights aren't enough to power the solar panel. So, for those who are curious, I will be making an actual outdoor range day video using this optic, but as of right now, there's a ban, there's a fire danger, so that's kind of off the table right now. But hopefully very soon, once we get a little rain around here, I'll make a video of me using this immediately and post that as soon as I can. So stay tuned for that. But just talking about the optic today. So as you can see, it's got these lens caps on it. Now you can pop those off real easy. But then you can see, oh man, they're just hanging there. That's really annoying, right? Because they're tethered together along the battery cap right here. This is the greatest feature I've seen. And maybe it's on other optics, I don't know. But for Vortex to do this is just, I love it. So you take the one, snap it, take the other, and snap it into that. And now you can see it is stuck to the side of your optic. You don't got to worry about losing your lens caps, you know, putting them in your pocket, whatever it may be. These will stay on your sight, which is just awesome. I really like this personally. The controls right there on the side, you got a plus and minus, really simple. To turn it on, you just hit your plus or minus button, clicks it on. To turn it off manually, you would hold down the minus button for about 5 seconds and it'll shut off your optic. But if you don't do that, this will turn off. Let's say you set your rifle down and after X amount of hours, the red dot will shut off by itself. But as soon as you pick your rifle back up, boom, pops immediately right back on. So this has, I mean, this is a very intelligent optic, from, you know, how it uses the solar to battery to knowing that when it gets picked up, it turns the sight right back on. So for such a little red dot, this does a lot. And yeah, and just to quote Vortex here, from their website, they state, the Sparc Solar harnesses the power of the sun for up to 150,000 hours. To me, that's insane. That is a lot of time to be running off without, you know, without changing a battery, you know, just to be using the solar panel. That's just incredible. And living over here in Eastern Washington, where, yeah, it's like 300 days of sunshine a year, I'll probably never replace this battery realistically, because I don't shoot indoors. You know, I don't go to shooting ranges. I like to shoot on public land, like we should be allowed to. But yeah, so I mean, that was a big selling point to me too. I think just because now I don't have to rely or worry about batteries. As long as it's daylight, I'll have power. And it'll conserve my battery power for when it's low light situations. That's awesome. It's a 2 MOA dot. It's got 10 different brightness settings. The 2 lowest settings are night vision compatible. So you can use your night vision with this optic as well. It comes with, I'll show you the box. Let's just go through the box real quick. So, boom, there's the box. Inside, of course, you get your little instruction booklet, breaks everything down. Comes with your little T10 Torx tool, and flat. It's a multi-tool, so it does everything you need to adjust your windage and elevation, which, you know, there's your adjustments, really easy to get to. And to take the battery cap off, which is just right behind these lens covers, is where you put the CR 2032. Yeah, I love it. They actually got it stamped right there on the optic, so yeah, you'll always know what battery it takes. So I'll memorize it at some point. Of course, comes with a lens cloth. Now, it came with 2 different mounts, so both low mounts, but you can see one is flush, and one works perfect with your AR, because then it'll work with your flip-up sights as well. So I've already tested that. So again, you can use your flip-up sights with this optic, so you can have backups. But yeah, guys, that kind of sums it up. Like I said, follow-up video to come for a range day video, so stay tuned for that. If you got any questions at all, please ask me in the comments down below. I always answer back. And I'll leave the link to the Vortex's website in the description if you want even more hardcore details about this optic. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys checking out the review. Truly means the world to me. I can't thank you enough for all the support you show the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.